Hi all, in this video I'm going to share you guys a simple and easy way to reuse Fusion effect from your edit page on your DaVinci Resolve. So let's jump into this video. First of all, on your Fusion page, select all the nodes except for the media in node. While selecting the nodes, the order by which you select the node is very important because if the order is mismatched, you won't get the desired output while applying this effect from the edit page. Things you can do to avoid this effect: don't select the nodes one by one. Just place the nodes connecting the media in and media out a little bit to the edges. Then select everything starting from media in section or media out section. After that, right click on any node and select macro, create macro option. From the dialog box, on the name, type the name you want for this effect. Below that, it shows all the controls for all the nodes you selected. If you tick this export box option, then you can edit those settings from the edit page. Otherwise, you need to open Fusion page to edit the changes. After ticking all the boxes that you require, on the file section, choose Save as Group. Then save this group file. Then on the Fusion page, Effect section, open the template section. Then from the top right, 3 dot, choose Show folder. Then on that folder, if you are not finding edit folder, then create new folder with the edit name. Then inside that folder, create another folder called effect folder. Then copy and paste the settings file to this location. And if you want to organize it to a category, create a folder with the category name and paste the settings file inside that folder. Then restart your DaVinci Resolve. For the first time, you need to do a restart, and for the subsequent times, you don't need to do a restart. Then on your edit tab, effect section, you can see the effect that you saved. So that's it. That's how you can easily and simply save your Fusion effect as an edit page effect. So that's all about this video, guys. I hope you guys find this video useful. If you do so, the like button and don't forget to subscribe.